will be insulted if you call them a bird brain, but our next guest, Clint, says, consider it a compliment. To help our imagination take flight, please welcome exotic bird expert and show-stopping bird entertainer, Clint Carvalho, and his amazing birds to the show.
How are you? Good. I'm good. How are you? How are you? How are you doing, doctors? Good. I'm doing great. I'm having fun. Yeah, I'm going to do a lot of cool stuff today, and I'm going to give you guys a lot of education about parrots and how they relate to us as human beings. And I need a little bit of help today, so I need Dr. Jim to help me out.
Okay.
All right.
Hey, Dr. Jim, are you ready back there?
I am ready.
You are? Is Kitten ready?
Kitty, you ready?
Sounds like she's ready. Well, open that door. Let's get her out.
Okay, here we go.
Come on,
Ready
Kitty.
to go.
Kitty. Well, this is Kitten, and she's a bear I talked to, and she's 31 years old. Her flying ability is a true testament to her excellence of her neural pathway to her cerebellum. And we're going to show some of that today, how that actually works.
Because when I entered the segment, Clint, I talked about, you say, oh, you're a bird brain, but birds' visual cortex is small, but the way that they're able to create these neural pathways and integrate other senses is pretty remarkable, right?
It's unbelievable. It has more on adrenaline. We can just like 10 times more acute.
So they can do some pretty amazing things.
Amazing things in flight.
You ready to see some of that?
Yes.
Now we have a couple of hoops on the audience. We can turn the hoops on. As you can see, she has to fly right at her face to get through that. Now, if she didn't have those senses, she wouldn't be able to do this. If she was a human being trying to fly, she'd hit it right in the face. It's George of the Jungle. So we're going to try this right now. Are you guys ready out there? I hope it works. Ready, Kitty? Whoa! There's two.
Awesome.
But you see how she had to react and make a fast turn. She's reacting this quick. Remember, we didn't rehearse that. This is her first time. So what you saw is actually how she would react.
And happy to say we did not have our first bird facial on the show.
Thank you guys out there. You can turn that off.
So the ability to fly and use their vision is amazing. You know, how about their ability to speak?
Well, speaking is very, very cool because we all love parrots because they can talk. And the reason why they can talk is they have what's called a syrinx, we have a larynx, we have vocal cords, and they have these four muscles in this air sac where they can constrict it while they're pushing air across it to create different types of sounds.
And do they understand what they're saying, or do they understand you?
Well, I know most people think they just mimic, but the larger parrots are about 20 times smarter than a dog. They learn how to speak just like you and I by association. So when people have a bird and maybe somebody... their beaks are their hands. We'll get into that. But anyway, this is Beatrice. She's a yellow-naped Amazon. We're going to do a little talking. Are you ready, Beatrice? Hi, Beatrice. Hi. Can you say hello? Hello, eh? That's her Canadian version. I'm sorry, man. Yeah. Just say hello. There you go. Hey, can I ask you a question? Is that audience good looking? Are they pretty? Oh. Now, if she didn't understand what I was saying, she wouldn't say exactly what I needed her to say, right? So we're going to demonstrate a little bit. We're going to sing a song. Would you guys like to hear us sing? Now, part of what I do when I work with the birds, it kind of makes me a little bit unique, is I'm very interactive with the birds. It means I don't have them sit over there and have her sing a song. I'm going to sing with her, which is going to be your nightmare. But otherwise, she loves when I interact with her. And before we sing the song, let's warm your voice up. Warm it up. Little higher. Push it real hard. She obviously understands what I'm saying, right? All right, let's sing a song. It's called Oh, What a Beautiful Morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. We're going to do this together. You ready? Oh, what a beautiful morning.
Oh, what a beautiful morning.
My turn. I've got this beautiful... Everything's going. Say yeah. Yeah.
Will take us to break.
Oh, yeah, she can take us right to break right now.
We'll be right back.